Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I prepare this pear puree. It's easy to make with this fruit. It's easy to make and it's also so sweet. So without wasting much of your time, let me go and show you how I made that creamy puree. Yes, my creamy pear puree is ready to eat. I wish you can try this. It's so sweet. I didn't add it anything because I want it natural. This fruit contains sugar. It contains its own natural sugar, so I don't need to add it anything to make it sweet. So it's so good. I love it because I used to prepare it for my baby. Whenever I notice he haven't go to toilet for about 2 days, I will go to supermarket and buy it and prepare for him. Immediately he eat this thing, just 15 to 20 minutes he will go to toilet. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.